Consumer Alert this morning. The moving trucks are back and college students are starting to return to school, but some of them could be learning a hard lesson right away if they aren't on alert.
Students who are planning to live off campus have been sending money for apartments they've never seen, and in some cases those apartments don't exist. CBS News' Elijah Westbrook is showing us how this crime works. He joins us now in studio. And Elijah, I need this. My daughter left for college in her first apartment yesterday.
Oh, nice.
I never thought of these scams.
I know. Well, unfortunately, it's taking place. Good morning to the both of you. And it is that time of year. College students are heading back to school, but for some, it's off campus. And there are some helpful tips and certain individuals New York State officials want you to be mindful of. I spoke exclusively with the director of the state's Division of Consumer Protection to get an understanding about what you can do to avoid becoming a victim. The summer is coming to an end and college kids are moving back. What are some of the scams college kids need to look out for, Paula?
In these instances, the scam will manifest when you engage and the person that is representing to be the property owner or a representative of the property owner doesn't actually own the property, and the property may not even exist.
Paula O'Brien with the New York State Division of Consumer Protection in Albany sat down with me to chat via Zoom about this ongoing issue. She says Dowsett is a prime example of what continues to happen during the college move-in period.
Paula, from your perspective, I know you are someone who is very knowledgeable about this topic. What would you say is essentially the biggest mistake college kids make when it comes to moving into an apartment?
I think it's moving quickly. And it's and responding to the urgency, because these scammers are going to tell you, listen, I'd love you to be my roommate. I really want you, but I have 7 other people that want this apartment too.
O'Brien says there are at least 3 different areas you want to check off your caution list to make sure you don't become a victim. Be sure to confirm that the rental listing is legitimate. The state says scammers often post fake listings of properties that are not on the market. Inspect the premises and review all terms and conditions. Make sure to have everything in writing.
And all in all, know your rights, because the perfect apartment can become the perfect cautionary tale. Cindy and Mary.
Yeah, that's for sure, Elijah. Now, there are those circumstances where a person may not have a chance to check that apartment, may not have access. Either it's outside the country or maybe they live out of state.
Exactly. So in a situation like that, state officials say, you know what, maybe work with a realtor or a real estate agent who could maybe FaceTime you and show you the apartment virtually. At least you have that access to see the apartment. But just in general, make sure you have a running track record of all the conversations you've had with the landlord there, because God forbid this ends up going to court. You at least want to have a paper trail of everything that was discussed. So hopefully it doesn't happen to any of your daughters or children, but certainly keep that in mind.
Yeah, for sure. Besides the butterflies going back to school.
That's right.
They show up and there's no apartment. That would be the worst.
Exactly.
Thanks, Elijah.
Thank you.